everybody. Welcome back to Vibing with Veda. Today, we're going to continue talking about the ElaSpa skincare line and their products. But today, we're going to focus on something a little bit different. This is a post-treatment recovery kits that we offer. We have 5 of them. So, as you know, ElaSpa is a professional clean beauty product line that is 100% vegan, 98% organic, and it is oncology friendly. So, for those of you who are in the industry and are doing certain treatments that make your clients have a compromised skin barrier, we have some post treatment recovery kits that I think you're going to be very interested in. Our first one is for the acute phase of when you have a person recovering from post RF microneedling procedure. We recommend that you use the Calm Plus Repair Kit. This kit has the Calm Skin Serum in it, as well as the Calm Skin Cream Forte, and a soothing mask associated with this. Now, when you have a post-laser treatment or an IPL client, we recommend in the acute phase that you use the regenerating kit. This is composed of the Calm Skin Serum, the Oxygenating Serum Plus, as well as the Oxygenating Cream Forte Plus. For your post RF microneedling clients, that may also be your laser client or an IPL client. We have for the transitional phase, when it's either that or 4 days plus, we are recommending that you use our Pigment Defense Kit, which is our Brightening Serum Intensive, as well as our Brightening Cream Forte. And for your clients in the transitional phase, for after the peeling stops and for ongoing anti-aging, we highly recommend my all-time favorite, the Collagen Remodeling Kit. It is our Biopeptide Face and Eye Serum and the Biopeptide Cream Forte. And for our last post-treatment recovery kit, we have for your acne-prone or congestion risk patients that you may be treating, we have what is called the Clarifying Kit. And this is our Clear and Pure Serum, and you pair that with our Clear and Pure Cream. So, as always, if you want any further information about our post-treatment recovery kits, I'm here for you as your trusted advisor with ElaSpa Professional Clean Beauty. So hit me up on a DM. I'd love to chat with you. And remember, make it a remarkable day and always keep smiling.